So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, Hudan lil muttaqin, alladhina minuna al-ghayb yuqimuna as-salat wa mimma razaqnahum yunfikun. Those who believe in unseen and those who establish the salah, the praying 5 times a day with congregation. Wa mimma razaqnahum yunfikun. What is we given to them, they spend it from. Spend to parents, wives, to children, brothers, sisters, relatives, friends, neighbors, and all the human beings. They spend their money for the sake of Allah. Ulaika ala hudam min rabbihim wa ulaika humul muflihun. They are upon guidance from their Lord, and they will be the successful. They will be the successful who do this all. Fear Allah, believe in unseen, do praying 5 times a day, believe in the hereafter, believe in the prophets and books, do good work, to praying, do good works. وَالَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِمَا أُنزِلَ إِلَيْكَ وَمَا أُنزِلَ مِنْ قَبْلِكَ وَبِالْآخِرَةِ هُمْ يُوقِنُونَ. Those who believe what is revealed to Prophet Muhammad, the Quran, and whatever revelation, and those revealed before Prophet Muhammad, to Prophet Jesus, the Injil, or Prophet Moses, the Torah, or the Prophet Dawood, the Zabur, or Psalm. We believe in all those revelations, even though those revelations are changed by the people, but we believe in all those books and revelations. Even to Prophet Ibrahim, whatever revealed, we believe. And all the prophets, whatever revealed, we believe. And they believe in the certainty with the hereafter. That we all will die and we will be arrive again on the day of judgment, forever life. And there will be paradise and there will be hellfire. There will be a judgment day. And then the next verse, they are upon guidance from their Lord and they will be successful. Surely it is equal upon them, whether you warn them or you do not warn them, they will not believe. So these are the worst kind of disbelievers. They are not, Allah decided them to be disbelievers because of their bad doings, doing bad to the people, not believing in Allah, always rejecting the faith and committing shirk. So Allah said, it is whether same upon them, whether you warn them or you do not warn them, they will not believe because Allah decided them to be disbelievers. So we hope that Allah will not make our heart harden, that we will become decided as a disbeliever. Why? Why they will not believe? Because khatamallahu ala qulubihim wa ala sam'ihim wa ala absarihim gishawatu wa lahum adhabun azim. It's because Allah put the seal upon their hearts. Wa ala sam'ihim, then Allah put the seal on their ears, on the hearing. Wa ala absarihim, and their eyesight, they will not believe. So if we keep on rejecting the commands of Allah and doing whatever Allah forbidden, then finally Allah will put the seal on the hearts, seal on the hearing, and seal on the eyesights, and dwell on the eyesights. So they cannot go back to the right way. May Allah guide us.